It's looking very bleak. And obviously we have these messages from anonymous sources in the Treasury saying that there is a £50 billion black hole in the public finances, and so therefore there'll be very substantial tax rises in the future as well as spending cuts. I mean, if we look at sort of the broader picture of how we got into this mess in the first place, there's a lot of blame to go around. I mean, the Bank of England for many years was effectively, although not literally, printing money through quantitative easing. They ramped that up during COVID to almost £1 trillion over many years, and that's obviously an inflationary effect. You've also got very sort of curious positions that the current Chancellor Jeremy Hunt as well was, saying over the summer when he was running to be Tory leader in terms of slashing corporation tax, and now he's apparently very keen on increasing the tax burden. And let's talk about the tax burden. The national account taxes, that's the totality of taxes which we all pay. That's at a post-war high pretty much. The idea that we are an under-taxed society, and so therefore there's a bit more wiggle room, and so the Treasury are very keen on increasing taxes in the future is for the birds. It's a very dangerous position to have. In this country, we have in effect, a sort of a cost of government crisis. The government is spending far too much money.
But we keep demanding it. The thing is, no one wants to pay higher taxes. They just want those rich people over there to pay higher taxes. We're in Jeremy Corbyn territory, or energy companies. That's the favourite one. Every time I have a Labour MP on, and we had Wes Streeting, the Shadow Health Secretary, on, we want more money spent on the NHS. They're already getting $200 billion a year, more money on the NHS, which is going to be funded in part to pay the extra recruitment of people by a windfall tax on energy companies. I mean, it just never ends. But at the same time, we're spending all this money, but everyone wants there to be more spending on everything that they care about, but no one is willing to pay the extra taxes for it. We want something for nothing, don't we?
Unfortunately, that does seem to be the way. Obviously, Labour Party and the Conservative politicians are saying exactly that same kind of thing. I mean, unless the government is going to seriously get to grips with big bits of spending, for example, the state pension is a case in point.